से शट डाउन करें, पहले तो इन विंडोज को क्लोज करेंगे, फिर यहाँ से शट डाउन करेंगे ना इसको, ये आता है ना यहाँ से, ये है ना, हाँ
ओके join soon so that we can start the class. Give your attendance as soon as you join. Yes, good afternoon everyone. Seventh A and 7th B. Please join soon and give your attendance as soon as you join in your respective class WhatsApp groups. Yes, children, I am waiting. Only 6 children have joined. Join soon. That chapter you prepare, I have given you questions and notes, also have sent that physical and chemical changes, no problem in that. Only that portion will be asked which was taught to you, okay? No problem, Shubham Kumar. Shubham Kumar, that portion of the questions will be asked which was taught to you, okay? Shubham, is it clear? Now let us see nutrition in animals. Today we have to start a new chapter, nutrition in animals. In the previous classes we have taken the chapter nutrition in animals. So we all know that plants are autotrophic in nature. They prepare their own food with the help of sunlight by the process of photosynthesis. But when we talk about animal nutrition or nutrition in animals, it is heterotrophic in nature because animals depend on others for their food. So animals directly or indirectly depend upon plants for their food because plants are the only living organisms on the earth which prepare the food. Okay. Now let us talk about the nutrition in animals. Animals are heterotrophic in nature. Animals are heterotrophic in nature. Animals are heterotrophic in nature. Okay. Nutrition includes nutrient requirement, and what nutrient requirement होती है? Nutrient requirement. In class 6 we have studied different components of food that are required by our body. They are called nutrients. For example, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water, and roughage. Okay, all these are nutrients. So nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, mode of intake of food, mode of intake of food. We have seen in the previous chapter that there are certain organisms which feed upon dead and decaying organic matter in the solution form, in their solution form. So they have different, and animals, they capture the prey and then eat solid. Okay, so different modes of intake of food are there. Okay, children. So nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in the body, and its utilization in the body. यानी वो कैसे यूज हो रहा है, कैसे यूज हो रहा है बॉडी, utilization in the body. Please note down utilization in the body. Okay, children. Very good. Tejas, very good. Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc. These are the nutrients. Please note down. So, children, why do we eat food? Now, the question arises: why do we eat food? We eat food in order to get energy out of it. So, the energy is provided by the food only and only when it is broken down into simpler substances. The complex food substances are broken down into simpler substances. This complex process is known as digestion. This complex process is known as what? Digestion. Okay, children? The complex food substances cannot be, the complex substances cannot be utilized by the body, as such, utilized by the body. So these complex substances are broken down into simpler ones, simpler ones. This process is known as digestion. This process is known as digestion. This process is known as what? Digestion. When we take in food, the food is broken down into simpler substances. This process is known as what? Digestion. Note down, children. Note down. Hurry up. Noted, everyone? Everyone noted or not? Tell me. Okay, children. Now I'm coming. Now, ways of taking food, different ways of taking food. Some insects suck the nectar of flowers. Infants, babies, they feed upon milk of their mothers. Then there are bacteria and fungi which feed upon dead and organic matter in the solution form. And There are animals like lion, they hunt upon the deer, and we feed upon plants and their products. Okay, children? So there are different ways of intake of food. Different ways of intake of food. Different ways of taking food. Bees suck nectar from flowers, suck nectar from flowers. Okay. Then baby, small baby infants feed upon milk from their mother's body. Mother's body. Python swallow animals. अजगर जो है वो पूरा का पूरा एनिमल्स को swallow कर लेता है. Swallow animals. Lion hunt upon their prey. Hunt upon their prey. अपने शिकार का शिकार करते हैं और फिर उसको खा लेते हैं. ओके. बैक्टीरिया एंड फंगाई. They are decomposers. ये क्या होते हैं? Decomposers है ना? या saprotrophs. पिछले चैप्टर में पढ़ा था ना हमने? Saprotrophs feed upon dead and decaying organic matter. Decaying organic matter. Dead and decaying organic matter in solution form. कैसे फॉर्म में? सॉल्यूशन के फॉर्म में. In solution form. So there are different ways of intake of food. Please note down. Note down different ways of taking food. Okay, I am giving you sight. There are different animals which feed in different manner. Now let us talk about the nutrition in human beings. Nutrition in human beings. Human beings they may eat plant and plant products, and they may also consume fish or meat. Okay, so such animals are omnivorous. What they are? Such animals which feed upon both plants and their products as well as animals, flesh or meat are called omnivorous animals. Okay, children. So let us see what are the different processes of digestion in human beings, nutrition in human beings. nutrition in human beings. See, human beings consume both plant and animal products. Plants and animal products. So they are omnivorous. क्या है ये? Omnivorous. ठीक है, omnivorous. तो जब वो खाना खाएंगे, खाना किससे लेंगे? मुंह से लेंगे. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग देख लेते हैं कि व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमन बीइंग. स्टेप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन कि खाना लिया तो इनटेक ऑफ फूड हो गया. क्या हो गया? इनटेक ऑफ फूड. इंजेक्शन हो गया. इनटेक ऑफ फूड क्या हो गया? इंजेक्शन हो गया. फिर खाना it will be broken down into smaller components or simpler components. This process is called digestion. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Digestion बोलते हैं. Then the digested food, क्या बेटा? Digested food is absorbed in the body. Then only it will be giving energy. No, so it has to be absorbed. Digested food has to be absorbed in the body so that it can provide energy when needed. So this process is known as absorption of food, absorption of digested food. Then comes the formation of proteins. So this is called assimilation. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Assimilation. और जब जो waste product बचते हैं, जो undigested food बचता है, when it is eliminated out of the body, it is called egestion or excretion. क्या कहते हैं उसको? Egestion या excretion. Okay, children. So let us dive steps of nutrition in human being. Steps of nutrition in human being. क्या क्या होता है पहले हम देखें. पहला स्टेप है, फर्स्ट स्टेप मैंने बताया क्या होता है? इनटेक ऑफ फूड. क्या है? इनटेक ऑफ फूड. इसको बोलते हैं बेटा इंजेक्शन. क्या बोलते हैं? दिस प्रोसेस नोन एज इंजेक्शन. INGESTION. इंजेक्शन मींस इनटेक ऑफ फूड. तो हम लोग इनटेक ऑफ फूड किससे लेते हैं? माउथ से या बक्कल कैविटी से. किससे लेते हैं बेटा? माउथ या बक्कल कैविटी. क्या लेते हैं? माउथ या बक्कल कैविटी. माउथ या बक्कल कैविटी से. ठीक है. सेकंड स्टेप देखो, जब ये खाना लिया तो खाना ऐसे ही हमारे बॉडी में यूज होता है ना? नहीं. इट हैज टू बी ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस. तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? डाइजेशन. क्या बोलेंगे बच्चों? डाइजेशन. कहते हैं डाइजेशन. ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ फूड. सॉरी, इसको बोलेंगे ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ फूड और इसका नाम होगा डाइजेशन. ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ फूड, ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ फूड, उसको बोलेंगे डाइजेशन. अब डाइजेशन का पूरा एक ऑर्गन है वो अभी हम लोग अब बात करेंगे. there are certain series of organs which are involved in digestion process in human beings that we will take later on. Okay, उसमें होता है डाइजेस्टिव कैनाल बोलते हैं. इसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? डाइजेस्टिव कैनाल या फिर उसको एलिमेंट्री कैनाल भी बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? डाइजेस्टिव कैनाल या एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. ओके. तीसरा, जब ब्रेकडाउन हो गया तो जब डाइजेशन हो गया ना तो एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ डाइजेस्टेड फूड. क्या? एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ डाइजेस्टेड फूड. एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ डाइजेस्टेड फूड. एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ डाइजेस्टेड फूड. ये कहाँ होता है? हम लोग अभी बात करेंगे स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में होता है. कहाँ होता है बच्चों? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. नोट कर लो, अगर नोट करना है तो नोट करो, ये आपको हेल्प करेगा. Okay, in the exam they ask where does this process take place. Okay? Okay, children? Very good. Then fourth, assimilation. Assimilation किसको बोलते हो जो? Assimilation means formation of proteins, formation of complex molecules like proteins, complex substances such as proteins, इसको बोलेंगे is known as assimilation. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Assimilation. This is known as what? Assimilation. Okay, children? फिर पार्ट ऑफ elimination of undigested food from the body, out of the body. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? What is this called as? Egestion. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Egestion. Egestion या फिर excretion. Egestion बोलेंगे या फिर क्या बोलेंगे? Excretion. And this takes place in large intestine. ठीक है? So these are the steps of nutrition in human beings. अब हम लोग बात करते हैं different organs of digestive system. Organs of digestive system. Note down. Focus your attention towards the class. Do not wish your friends hi or bye. Is that clear? Note down. And if you have noted, please tell, yes sir, I have noted, yes sir, I have noted. Note please. Noted or not? Hurry up, tell me, so that we can move further. Okay, now I'm learning. So now let us talk about the organs of digestive system in human beings. Organs of digestive system in human beings. See children, human beings have a long pipe-like structure called alimentary canal or digestive canal, which starts from the buccal cavity. buccal cavity या माउथ से स्टार्ट होता है और एंड कहाँ होता है, एनस में एंड होता है. राइट डाउन, राइट डाउन चिल्ड्रन. Human beings have a long canal called digestive canal or alimentary canal. Digestive canal or alimentary canal that begins at the buccal cavity, at the buccal cavity, and buccal cavity या फिर माउथ, उसी को माउथ बोलते हैं, and ends at the anus, and ends at the anus. So this forms the digestive organs. Okay, in between it has many organs. In between these there are different organs which constitute digestive system. These organs are, अब हम लोग organs लिख रहे हैं कौन से. These organs are, पहले तो मालूम ही आपको एक करके लिखेंगे. One is buccal cavity और mouth. buccal cavity और mouth, उसको mouth भी बोलते हैं, उससे खाना लेते हैं लोग. ठीक है, फिर फूड आगे बढ़ता है और फूड पाइप या ईसोफेगस से गुजरता है. उसको क्या बोलते हैं, फूड पाइप या ईसोफेगस. फूड पाइप और ईसोफेगस. फूड पाइप या ईसोफेगस. ओके, देन उसके बाद स्टमक. What is stomach? 4 small intestine. और fifth is large intestine. Ending in rectum and anus. ये large intestine के पार्ट है rectum और anus. ठीक है, please note down children. These are the organs of digestive system. Note down the different alimentary canal. Please tell me if you have noted or not. Okay. Now we will take up the different organs of digestive system. We will take up the different parts of digestive system and the event of digestion or the event of nutrition that takes place in different digestive organs. So we will begin with buccal cavity or the mouth. Buccal cavity or the mouth. Okay, children? Let us see. किस किस ऑर्गन में कौन सा फंक्शन होता है, कौन सा इवेंट होता है, वो हम लोग देखेंगे। और सबसे पहला पार्ट क्या होता है एलिमेंट की तरह का बक्कल कैविटी या माउथ, उसमें क्या होता है सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं। ठीक है बेटा, सबसे पहली बात तो ये हो गई कि हम लोग खाना उसे लेंगे, इनटेक ऑफ फूड, ingestion of food is done through mouth or buccal cavity. Okay children, intake of food, events taking place, events of digestion in different organs, ये हेडिंग है डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स, यानी कौन सा इवेंट हो रहा है किस ऑर्गन में कौन लोग देखेंगे। बक्कल कैविटी पहला, बक्कल कैविटी में बक्कल कैविटी पहला फर्स्ट क्या होता है, फूड इज टेकन इन थ्रू बक्कल कैविटी, ठीक है, बक्कल कैविटी। उसके बाद वहां पे टीथ होते हैं, फोर टाइप ऑफ टीथ, break down food, break down large pieces of food, into small part, into small, और वो चार तरह के टीथ कौन कौन से होते हैं पता होगा कि आपको, इंसाइजर्स, कैनाइन्स, प्रीमोलर्स एंड मोलर्स। ठीक है, तो खाना पहले काट, उन्होंने स्मॉल पीसेस में काट दिया, ठीक है, देन tongue is at the floor of buccal cavity, it has taste buds to taste food, फूड को टेस्ट करने के लिए टेस्ट बर्ड्स होते हैं। आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि कौन सा खाना मीठा है, कौन सा खाना खट्टा है, कौन सा खाना कड़वा है? इट इज द टेस्ट बर्ड्स दैट आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द डिफरेंट रीजन्स ऑफ द टंग, इट इज द टेस्ट बर्ड्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द डिफरेंट रीजन्स ऑफ द टंग दैट डिटरमाइन द टेस्ट ऑफ द फूड। ओके, देन there are salivary glands, salivary glands in the buccal cavity, that secretes saliva, which makes food स्लिपरी हो जाता है ताकि खाना आसानी से नीचे मूव कर सके, ठीक है। स्लिपरी फॉर इजी डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट, नीचे अच्छी तरह से वो नीचे मूव कर सके, इजी डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट। ओके चिल्ड्रन, देन there is one more important thing that saliva contains an enzyme. Enzymes are such substances which help in the digestion of food, enzymes. Okay, enzymes are substances which help in completion of a chemical reaction. So enzymes in biology means such substances which help in certain chemical reaction to complete out. Okay, so here saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase or ptyalin, which converts complex starch into maltose. Into what? Maltose. This is very, very important. Have you noted this? So that I can rub. Have you noted, children? Okay, now. So I am rubbing and I will tell you one more thing about saliva. And this will be the last point for today. Then we will wind up the class. Saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase or ptyalin. This is very, very important. Ptyalin, which partially digests starch, into maltose. ठीक है। स्टार्च जो है ना, स्टार्च क्या है? एक कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट है। वो स्टार्च माल्टोज को माल्टोज में कन्वर्ट कर देता है, फिर माल्टोज को दूसरे एंजाइम कन्वर्ट करते हैं जो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में होता है। यहाँ पे इतना काम होता है। नोट डाउन। Have you noted, children? बक्कल कैविटी में इतना काम होता है। Have you understood? Have you understood the events taking place in buccal cavity? Okay, so with this we have finished today's class. So in the next class we will take up the next part of the alimentary canal, that is esophagus. What happens in the esophagus or the food pipe. Then we will take up small intestine, large intestine, and so on. So are you revising for your exam test? Those who are telling that physical and chemical changes is not completed, please read it. It is not a great matter. Okay, children? So I am ending up the session for now. Thank you and have a nice day.